Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to Kanatio Studios, and today we're going to be playing some Agario. So let's join my friend. Okay, and we are being joined by Starboy.
Yo, what's up?
Okay, what's your party code? And why is my mouse blinking? It's like, oh well, that's just an organ. Okay, but what's your party code? What's your party code?
I sent it to you on Steam.
No, but what is your party code?
It's on Steam. Just go to the link.
Okay. It's not there. Okay. WY4Y6N. Okay. We are just going to taps. WY4 Y6N. Y6N. Join. I'm in. Okay, and let's play, guys.
We're not. Oh, yeah. Now you're in.
Uh-oh. I'm already trying to be eaten. Help me. I'm coming to you. Ah! Can you feed me, please?
No, I can't. I'm sorry. Here, I'll give you some. There you go.
Uh-oh, the virus ate some.
Oh, wait. Yes, I got that guy. Here, you can eat part of me.
Okay,
Okay, you eat that.
thanks.
Can you feed me? Feed me till we're both the same size.
Perfect.
There we go.
Okay, now let's go find some food.
Oh.
Tell me when you're in a sticky situation.
Oh, shoot. No.
Oh, yes. I just tried to split on some people. I can never seem to split on people.
That's not. You need to split in Agario. That's the only way to play the game.
I-
Oh, that guy just got trolled.
I just split. So, I'm gonna split a lot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Note to self, don't split so much that you lose almost all your mass.
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Well, you told me to. So, shame on you.
I said, yeah, shame on you for splitting.
Shame on you for telling me to do that before in another Agario playthrough.
He's crazy. He's crazy team.
Uh-oh. There's a giant team over here. Let me just split on these guys. I tried to split on these guys, but I need to be like...
I can help you. I can help you. I can help you. I'm coming to you.
I lost almost all my mass when I split. I'm coming.
Let me eat half of you. Let me eat this guy half. Feed me. Yes, I got him.
Feed me. Oh, run.
Eat that.
Okay, thanks. Okay, come on, run. Go without me. Okay, never mind. Split. Oh, so good food. That is so good. Now you're giant.
Eat some of me. Eat part of me.
Thanks.
Okay. Now, one more piece for you.
Thanks.
Feed me a ton.
Here?
Feed me.
Okay.
Now, perfect. Like that. Yes, we're big, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Help.
You piece of crap.
The highest mass was 587. That's awesome. You're number 14.
I am?
Yeah. You're number 15 or 16 or 14. I'm going to go to the veteran. Okay, let me just go back to the food.
Number 6.
Oh no. Premium, just veteran, no. Oh. Let's do banana. I'm a little banana. Oh, my mic fell. Let me just put that. Okay, let's just get back in. Okay, wow. I'm in a pretty good area that has a lot of dots. Like a lot of dots. Come to me. There's like a lot of dots over here. It's like in the, when you see like a ton of dots all of a sudden, and you know you're in the area that you need to. I'm already 100. And I haven't even killed one single person. I've been staying in, like, over here, and ooh, bang. You're on the leaderboard.
I am? I'm
Number
number 9.
8.
Number 10.
That's still pretty good. If you're on the leaderboard, then you're like OP. Wow, there's so many dots over here. Like, I'm already almost 200. Why? There's nobody around. Thanks. Oh, there's a giant crazy team that I can eat some of. I just ate some of this team, and it gave me a lot of mass. Come. Okay. Here, eat this little dot. There. No, I get to keep some. I need help. Hey, they just fed me a lot. Like, one team that just randomly fed me. My highest, I was almost at. Yay. Now I'm gonna split on him. And I'm gonna give him some mass. I made a pretty good team with this guy. Aw, man. I bet he's so sad that I just died now. Okay, I'm coming back in. I'm not a robot. Okay, I'm in. I'm a pretty good area. I'm in an okay. That is just awesome. Look at this. Come to where I am, and it's like heaven. Like you're blessed with dots. Yeah. Then just shake your booty around. That's how you do it. I made pretty good teams with this guy that was like a team question mark, and I just shook at him a bit. Right when he spawned in, it was like, okay. And then I fed him. Uh-oh. I'm in a crazy team. I have to run. I'm running. I just got away from a crazy team. OMG, I'm in such a good area. Yeah, like really, really good. Like dots spawn here all the time, and they're just awesome. I need help. Yay, Luan. Wait, Luan? I'm right next to the number one guy, and he's like tiny. He is tiny.
Number one guy?
Yeah, he is tiny. Like, used to be number one guy, like Luan. He's tiny. I was just right next to him.
He's smaller than you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And I'm not even on the leaderboard. Split. I just killed somebody using the splits.
Where are you?
In an awesome area where there are like tons of dots. There are hotspots of dots. That's what I call them because there are like 5,000 dots in each one. Just awesome. I need to join together. I need to force myself to join together. I need to. Oh, I'm joining back in. I'm joining there. I'm joined back together. And now I'm big. I'm in the sticks. Okay, take 60 breaths and get right in. No, slowly, like this.
I'm gonna leave the party.
Okay. I've been doing pretty good. Bang.
When you die, I'm sending you another link. I'm sending you another link, so join that link when you die.
Hey, made pretty good friends. Nem. I'm a YouTuber. I don't know if any of you know that's watching. OMG, I have 4 pieces. Uh-oh, I gotta run. Uh-oh. I gotta run.
No!
I'm trying to get back to my 593. Bang. Bang. Well, he just ended the... Okay, let me get that. Why did you do that?
I accidentally hung up button instead of the send button. And they both have an arrow pointing left.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and